Well, that's a note. I don't like cold anymore. Let's head out. Man, there's so much powder. So much powder here. Even to get enough purchase for my ski poles. It's way down there. I seriously underestimated how quickly it went from being a little bit cold to overheating significantly, but we can't have that. That first hill was a doozy. The powder on top's pretty thick. Finally found another track that had some snow already packed down a little bit. And instead of sinking down a foot, I'm only sinking down, I don't know, 4 or 6 inches. Everything is just so flat. It's really hard to see the slopes, contours, even just right in front of me. If you can see this track, maybe down here it's easier to see, I don't know. At least 130 inches of snow down there, maybe more. Time for a little break. My fingers are so cold. It's not good sign. Getting so cold so soon. And all this snow is not helping. We'll get it though. We gotta get one. Has almost fallen. There it is. It's snowing pretty good. Should have been recording. This cave is not big enough for me yet. All right, what am I gonna do? All right, so now we improvise with frozen fingers. We improvise with frozen fingers. See how that does. There's definitely some really hard ice layers in this snow. I think that's what killed my shovel. Finally, I got it long enough, I think, but I'll inflate this and see if it actually fits. And it just barely fits. I seem to have buried myself in. I'm hungry. Teriyaki chicken and rice. There we go. Once better. Put everything back where it belongs, or else I'm not going to find it. I want food. Open it up. Remove oxygen packet. Add water, stir. I'll take 15 minutes. My goodness. Okay, 12 to 15 minutes. If I can last that long. More water. Well, that's not good. Lighter's not working. There we go. I'm so sore from moving all this snow. As long as I stay warm, I should sleep very well tonight. Probably could use a couple more minutes. Guys, it's late. Finally in bed. Whew, it's a long day. Whole lot of snow moved. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. I'm not sure if I slept at all last night. I was not too terribly cold, just a tiny bit, but for some reason just could not fall asleep. Got some coffee going, pack up, we'll head out. So it snowed 5-6 inches since it's 10 o'clock last night. All right, let's see if we can get out of here. This is, oh my goodness, this is so snowed in. Piece of this dribble. It's so buried. Here we go. There's a parking lot. Whew. Let's not go over the edge. Now, let's see if I can get out of here. Let's see if that'll work.